This dashboard is where you'll be able to track and measure the success of your campaign. There are three main components: Summary, Location, and Audience. In the Summary tab, you'll see a number of different report types available. Daily Trend is the default report type. To the right, you can filter for a specific date range using the Duration filter. We recommend setting it as the flight dates of your campaign. Clicking on the Play button in the lower left corner will expand and show the daily breakdown of your campaign. To the right, you will see three options: Column Picker, View Creatives, and Export. Add or remove metrics in the interface based on your reporting requirements, and export the data as a CSV file. The chart in the middle presents the detailed reporting data of all performance metrics. Quickly see the correlation between two different metrics, such as impressions and CTR. That data can be viewed at the campaign, ad group, and creative levels by using the Level Selection drop-down. Next is Location. Location reporting provides a breakdown of campaign performance by geographic boundaries, as well as store-level visitation performance. You can adjust fields in the table on the right to customize your view or sort your impressions. You have the option to export the data by clicking the Export button in the lower right and selecting Location Reports. Last is Audience. You have available 4 types of report: behavioral, category, brand affinity, and demographics. For this example, we'll go through the most commonly used, demographics. This distribution chart represents the gender and age breakout of delivery in terms of impression distribution. You can download both the data or chart. Lastly, you have a high-level campaign summary to quickly understand how your campaign is performing. For more detail on each reporting option, please click on the Help button in the lower right.